In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email alias in Gmail. If you manage more than one address, an alias lets you send messages from a different email while staying inside the same Gmail inbox. It's perfect for roles like support or info, or for keeping personal and work identities separate without switching accounts. Start by opening Gmail in a desktop browser and signing in. Look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. At the top, select the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail controls how you send mail, what address it appears to come from, and how replies are handled. Find the section labeled Send Mail As. Click Add Another Email Address. A small window will appear asking for the details of the address you want to use. Type the name you want recipients to see in their inbox. Then enter the email address you're adding as an alias. Make sure the option labeled Treat as an alias is checked. With this on, Gmail sends from your current inbox and routes replies back here, keeping everything in one place. When everything looks right, click Next Step. Gmail will now send a verification email to the address you just added. Open a new tab and sign into that alias's inbox. Look for the message from Gmail and click the confirmation link inside. If you don't see it immediately, give it a minute or check your spam and other filtered folders. You'll need access to that inbox to complete verification. Once you've confirmed, return to your Gmail Settings tab. You'll see the new address listed under Send Mail As. That means the alias is active and ready to use. To send from it, open a new message. In the Compose window, open the From menu and choose your new alias. Your message will go out showing that address to the recipient and replies will come back to your Gmail inbox. That's the full setup. If the verification message doesn't arrive, wait a moment and confirm the address was typed correctly. You can also resend the verification from the same Send Mail As section if needed. With your alias in place, you can keep communication organized, use the right address for each conversation, and work efficiently without juggling multiple logins.